Ang tanong,
Benjamin proposes a voluntary dispute resolution process in which one or more arbitrators appointed in accordance with the agreement of the parties or rules promulgated resolve a dispute by rendering an award. Question: which alternative dispute resolution system is he proposing? A, B, C, or D? What is the best answer, buddies? Yan, tama kayo. Kung nakikita nyo yung mga salitang may salong guhit, voluntary. Arbitrators. Pwede dun na, kuha mo na kagad. Arbitration is the correct answer. Now, tatandaan natin ang arbitration is voluntary, not mandatory. And ang pagre-resolve ng mga hindi pagkakaunawaan ay by rendering an award. Ibig sabihin, magkakaroon ng parang judge. Pag sinabi kong parang judge, hindi talaga judge, ha? Hindi talaga yan under ng judiciary. Parang judge, pipili yung dalawang parties ng kanilang arbitrators at itong mga arbitrators na to ang magre-render ng award o magdidesisyon base sa mga ipapakita nilang merito at ebidensya. Ang tawag dyan ay arbitration.
GameSmart, your review authority.